Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is another video in Learn HTML the Right Way series, and this time around what we want to do is that I'm going to teach you how you can create your first HTML document. And you don't need to panic, because I'm going to make it very simple and friendly. So let's see what we have to do. So the first thing you have to do here is that you go to any location on your PC. So I'm here in my location on my PC. So what I'm just going to do here is that I'm going to create a folder, or you call it a directory. So let's come through here. So let's give the directory a name. I'm going to paste in a name here. So Learn HTML the Right Way. So once you have this, this folder is going to be the one that will contain your entire website. It's going to be the one that will contain your entire website. So let's open it, then right click inside, then let's go to the next option. If you are not on Windows 11, you won't have to go to the next option. Show more option. You just have every one of these at once. So let's click on open with VS Code. So what we did was that we opened the folder we created in VS Code. So now in VS Code, you will see this icon, this plus icon. So let's click it, new file. So you notice it's asking me to create a new file. So let's give a name to the file. So we are going to call it index. I'll call it index. Then to now make sure that this file is an HTML file, we need to give it .html. Then let's press enter. So we've created our first HTML document. It's not more than this. You notice I put .html, just like you do it if you're creating, let's say, your PowerPoint document. It's going to be .ppt. If you are creating your MS Word document, it's going to be .doc or .docx. So for HTML, for HTML, which is the language of the web now, so it's going to be index, it's going to be .html. So I want to believe there is no question. So if you have any question at all, just put it in the comment. Then don't forget to like the video. If you've not subscribed till now, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification button, so that we can be able to stay tuned as we release more video in this series.